These were not tears, but it was a non-drying oil.
Nickel takes a sample of the liquid using cotton pads. The same ones now on display at the Skepticeum in Amherst, New York. And sure enough, it's oil. Armed with this evidence, Nickel reaches a distinctly earthly conclusion.
The weeping icon was a hoax.
But who is behind the ruse? And what was their motive? A further investigation reveals the answer. It seems the culprit was none other than the congregation's very own priest. In the months after the picture of the Virgin Mary started weeping, the priest disappeared. Shortly afterward, officials discovered that almost $500,000 was missing from the church coffers. It seems the crooked clergyman faked the tears on the painting to attract donations and then absconded with the cash.
It's so funny.
Today,
Cat crazy, not catnip.
Joe Nickel obtained from the weeping icon in Toronto is now on